Is that only coffee on your desk I see right now? It's day 3. Day 3 of Captivate. You got to have high energy. Day 3 is so important. There's so much amazing information you're going to get today. But you have to fuel your brain and your body to do so. And coffee, as great as it is not fuel. Fuel is amino acids and vitamins and minerals. So what does that look like? That looks like a high protein breakfast. Yes, breakfast. I see you, my not breakfast eaters. I guarantee that you're super hungry later in the day and your energy is not where it should be and not where it could be. So breakfast is so important. High protein. Think like omelet with some veggies, or a piece of avocado toast with an egg on top maybe. And what about a yogurt parfait with some fruit? Fruits, veggies, and proteins are going to fuel your brain and fuel your body and get you feeling amazing for a power-packed day 3. Day 3 is, I understand, it's gonna be tough because you've been sitting for 2 days. I know you're more hydrated and I know you moved your body more, so you feel way more energetic than you would have, but it's still day 3. So fuel your body with protein and amino acids and vitamins and minerals, and you are going to thank me later. So I know energy is huge, energy important. Is your energy where it should be? Is food your issue? It might be, it might not. So definitely make sure you are on the calendar. I think it's here. And if you are not on my calendar yet for your energy and income accelerator, we will find your #1 leak in energy. And I guarantee it, if your bank account is not where you want it to be, you have an energy leak somewhere. So if you're not on my calendar already, get on it. And I look forward to talking to you soon.